guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekly grocery haul and meal plan. Okay, so today I went to Aldi. I did not need very much because I just went to Costco yesterday, but I did need some produce and some drinks and a couple different non-food things that they had. So I got some grapes. I will wash those up and the kids can have them this week for lunches and breakfast. I got a bag of spinach, some cilantro, some celery. I'll wash that up and cut it up as well. I got some green onions, some zucchini to make zoodles, and then I also got a cucumber. This is like an English seedless cucumber to cut up for snacks and salads. I got 2 packages of steak for dinner tonight. I got one of the ribeye steak and one of these bacon wrapped fillets, so we'll see how those turn out. I got 2 packages of the turkey sticks. We like to have those for snacks and the kids really like them. 1 package of cream cheese. I got an avocado which is not quite ripe yet, so I'll have to wait for that. I got some whipped cream cheese, also some sour cream. I got some mushrooms. Adam is the only one that likes mushrooms, so I'll probably make those tonight with the steak. And then I also got some 2% milk and some orange mango juice. I've never seen this at Aldi before, so it might be new, I'm not sure. Alright, so I also got some Mandarin Oranges. These were like only $2.49, which is a pretty good price, so I got some of those. The kids like those. I also got some mozzarella. This is the fresh little balls of mozzarella. I have a ton of basil outside that I need to use. I got some ham, lunch meat, and then I also got some goat cheese because I found a recipe for keto fried goat cheese salad, so I want to try that. I grabbed some of these little 100 calorie guacamole cups. These are really good with the egg bites, like the Instant Pot egg bites that I make to have during the week for breakfast. This is also new at Aldi. I haven't seen it there before. This is the Alouette spread and snack cucumber and dill cheese. I got just one of these because I thought it'd be good to have as a snack with cucumbers. Okay, I also grabbed some of this Greek dressing. It actually comes in little packets in there, and it says there are 6 packets in there, I think. It says 1 packet, servings per container 1. I don't think so. I think there's like 6 individual packets in there, but anyway, I thought this would be nice to take to work with salads for lunch. I grabbed some broccoli and some cauliflower, and then Connor's teacher, who's in kindergarten this year, requested snacks for the class, so I got 6 packages of these peanut butter crackers. They were only 89 cents each, so pretty good price at Aldi. I also got some pork rinds. I'm actually going to grind these up in the food processor so I can keep them in the pantry for a low-carb breading. And then I also grabbed some of these Jif to-go cups. These are good to have for the kids' lunches for like dipping pretzels in or apples or anything like that. Okay, these were on sale. These were 59 cents a piece, and they are cheese dip and pretzels, but these are like a snack. Kira can take to school. She is supposed to take her own snack, and obviously it needs to be something that doesn't need to be refrigerated. So for 59 cents each, I picked up 2 of those. I got some sparkling ice. I've actually never seen this before in cans. So I got 1 of the cherry limeade and 1 of the orange mango. I got some frozen green beans and some of these glasses cleaning wipes. And then I also have never seen these there. I don't know if they're new, but I've just never noticed them. They are bacon wrapped jalapeno stuffed shrimp. So I thought these looked good, and maybe we can have those with the steak tonight. I also got the kids some frozen fruit bars and some passion fruit LaCroix. And then sometimes I try wine from Aldi. It's usually not too bad, and even if it is, this bottle was only $7. It's a 2017 rosé. And then they also had these fridge bins on sale for $5 each. I actually like to use these in my scrapbook room to organize stamps and kits and stuff, so I got 2 of those. And then I got one for the refrigerator, which is a turntable kind of thing, so you can actually put like condiments and dressings in here and it spins around so that you can reach stuff easier. So that is all I got at Aldi today. I'm going to make my meal plan and then I will share that with you. For this week's meal plan, I actually did something a little bit different that is not very common for me, but I actually went grocery shopping without making my meal plan first. So normally I don't do that. Normally I figure out what meals we're going to have and then make my list based off of that, but I felt like I had an idea of what I wanted to get, and I still have some produce and stuff left over from the week before, so I just decided to wing it. So for this week, Sunday, we are going out for pizza for my and my stepdad's birthday. We're going to Happy Joe's, so we won't have to cook that night, but this day, actually Sunday, will be my meal prep day where I will get everything done for us for the week. On Monday, I am planning on making meatloaf, and I am going to film how I make that in my meal prep video, so check that out if you haven't seen it yet. And then I also have some mashed cauliflower in the freezer. I like to get it from Trader Joe's. It comes already prepared and frozen. You just have to heat it up. And then I also got those frozen green beans from Aldi, so I'll probably saute those up in a pan with maybe some butter and some bacon bits. This week also we are starting up back with activities. So Connor is going to have swim on Monday and Wednesday, and then Tuesday and Friday he's going to have soccer. So Thursday will really be the only night that we won't have any activities, but it is nice that they are a little bit later so that we can probably eat before we head out the door. On Tuesday, I want to make a recipe from the Keto Made Easy cookbook, which is Keto Connect here on YouTube. They have a great channel for keto and low carb recipes, but they have a recipe in their cookbook called Chicken Popper Casserole. It's basically like a chicken jalapeno popper, so I'm going to try that along with some salad, and then the kids will probably just have some chicken fries. They're like chicken nuggets, but they're shaped like fries. I have those in the freezer for them. On Wednesday, I'm planning on making shrimp scampi with zoodles and then a keto breadstick recipe. I'll post a link to that recipe down below. I haven't tried those yet, so that will be a new recipe. And then the kids probably won't eat that because they don't care for shrimp, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do for them. Maybe just make them a snack plate, or I have some chicken sandwiches in the freezer I could heat up for them as well. On Thursday, I'm going to try just a recipe that I've been wanting to make for a while. It's not really a recipe per se, but essentially it's pizza chicken. So you just take a chicken breast, pound it out really thin, saute it in a skillet, and then you stick it on a cookie sheet, top it with sauce and cheese and pepperoni. So it's kind of like pizza, but you're basically using a chicken breast as the crust. So I thought we would try that along with some broccoli and cauliflower. And then Connor actually has an ENT appointment that afternoon, but that's early, so that shouldn't interfere with our dinner. Friday, we always either plan to have pizza or eat out, and then Saturday I don't usually plan ahead that far. So that is my grocery haul and meal plan for this week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.